Today I will talk about how can you enable messages notifications on your Waplog app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here in this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications here. You just click on notifications. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to messages here. So then you click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here messages notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.